How's it going, everybody? So, a couple of days ago, my wife and I went out to WW Night to take some video and some photos. Found some cool areas. In my opinion, it was, just a nice little place to do some shooting. On the other hand, my wife's got some really great shots that would just look beautiful. So, it made me realize not only, is a place different to everybody who sees it, you can make the place different just by how you see it. I mean, look at this. These are photos my wife took right there. So I figure if you take the same view that you're looking at and then, let's say, add some background music, it changes everything. Now if you take the same clips and add better music,